Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus on today's newspaper on Friday August the 21st 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 1383. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous one with the 1-star Sudoku has 27. I think this one has 26. Let me count. 1, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 1 is 26, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. So the 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. The other two numbers in this column should be for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle, in the row between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. That means in the first row we have a 3 in one of these two boxes. In the second row we have a 3 over there. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, 1 and 8, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. 3, 8, and then 9. I need a 9 here. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 numbers left. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2. It should be there. These two numbers are reserved for the numbers 7 and the 9. We see a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. We have a pair here, 7 and the 9 in this column, 7 and the 9 in the column next. So in the first column, the 2 empty boxes here are reserved for the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. Up here. Alright. Up here. 4 missing numbers now. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in the first row, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. Up here, the second pair. The third pair is are reserved for the numbers 4 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So here we have the 1 and the 2 left in the second row. We have a 7 here, so 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 8. How about the number? These 3 numbers. 1 and a 2. This should be the 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3, 3. I see there 3. 4. The 5 is missing. We see here 5, 5 and a 3. Alright, so these 2 numbers, these 2 boxes should be reserved for the 5 and the 3. So 1 number left should be the number 6. This should be the 6. Here we have a pair 5 and a 3. I marked them for you so you can see it or follow it easier. That means the 4 should be in these 2 boxes. Yes, 4, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2, so these 2 boxes should be a 2. So we have a 2 here and 2 there. Here, 2 in one of these 2 boxes in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, the last column, 2 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9, I believe. Yes, we have a 9 here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, first digit, alright. How about the number? These 2 numbers in the third row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, and the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then these 2 numbers, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. Then 4, 5. These 2 numbers, 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, then 3 and the 9 are missing here in this big square. 3 and a 9, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 9, so we have a 9 in the first row, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 9. 3 and a 9, so 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 3. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. Finish in 12 minutes again. Wow, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku. This one, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.